Do you know why you yawn when someone else does? It's called contagious yawning. And it's not just coincidence, it's actually your brain showing empathy. When you see someone yawn, the part of your brain that mirrors other people's actions, known as the mirror neuron system, lights up. It makes you subconsciously copy what you see. But here's the cool part. People are more likely to catch a yawn from someone they feel close to, like friends or family. Scientists think it's your brain's way of staying socially connected and in sync with others. So next time you yawn after someone else, don't blame sleepiness. Blame your empathetic brain.